to Chris Pratt's engagement and his ex-wife's reaction to it. Anna Faris let the world in on exactly how she responded when she got the news from Chris. She talked about it this morning on her podcast, and not only we knew that she was happy for him, but she's taking this to the next level.
Sweet Chris, my ex, got engaged to Catherine today, and I'm so happy for them. I knew that it was going to happen, and I love her. And I love him, and I'm just so happy that they found each other. And I so subscribe to the idea of like expanding like family and love. And with Jack, Chris texted me this morning, and he was like, I proposed to Catherine last night, and I was like, that's amazing. And I texted him back like, I just want to remind you, I'm an ordained minister.
Yes.
Oh my God, that would be
yes, exactly. Like I said, next level.
Look, I gotta say,
ex-wife,
and look, this is so extreme, and it really seems genuine with them.
Yeah.
And look, I did a podcast this weekend with Laura Wasser, who's one of the best divorce lawyers in the country.
Oh, really?
And we talked about.
He just tried to out-podcast Anna Faris.
Well, no,
I did a podcast too.
Other people have podcasts.
Van, did you do a podcast
well, you didn't invite
recently?
me. You never invited me.
Okay, not true. Go ahead.
Point being that Laura and I were talking about this, and that when you get divorced, you can get divorced legally, but you also have to get divorced in your head.
Word.
And man, a lot of people never do. And this is just a shining example.
That is so true. That is that I know people that were married and legally there, and they are still married in their minds, and that is so true.
You guys are forgetting that she was the first to move on after their split. She had been dating Michael Barrett for a long time. I think they're still together. And what's kind of interesting too is we've seen the blended families between Anna and Chris. We saw them all together for Halloween, so it's no surprise that she feels this way.
It's great, and
but to actually conduct the wedding would be
that would be crazy.
Extraordinary.
So look, this is so far beyond what you normally see. But when you look at Gwyneth Paltrow, you look at this, it's just a good example of how divorce doesn't have to consume and ruin your life.
They're not even a little closer to Chris Pratt. These people aren't divorced, I don't think, officially.
Yeah, they are. Now they are. Yeah.
Maria Shriver and Arnold Schwarzenegger.
I don't think they are never getting divorced.
Never.
But they're separated, and yet the family. It seems like it's operating pretty well.
Yeah.
Although that one I have no idea what's going on.
Right.
But they're separated. But
you're right. You're right. You're just right on that. You don't have to be at war with somebody because a relationship doesn't work out. I think it's.